So guys, look what order just came today. Hey guys, what's up? So right now, as you can see, I'm not really prepared and it's a little dark, the lights aren't good, so I just used the window light. But you will never guess what order has just arrived today.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, I got this! You want to take a guess what this thing is? This is my new keyboard, Alesis Recital, which would be really awkward if I open it and it's not that. But shout out to Uncle Doming. Oh shoot. But shout out to Uncle Doming who gifted me this thing. Thank you so much. I am really excited. And that is why I'm not prepared for this vlog, because I was just working upstairs and suddenly my order just arrived and I'm like, oh my god. Now I'm gonna time lapse this video and I will see you after I play with this and have fun. Alright, I'll see you later. Hey guys, what's up? Dre from the future here. So it's been a few days since my package had arrived, which you now all know is a keyboard. So I played a lot with it and I had a lot of fun. And maybe I had a little too much fun. Anyways, I decided to give a quick review for this video. So far, the sound of this piano is beautiful. I've recorded a few things already and used it for sessions.
Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
At first, I mistaken it to be the Alesis Recital Pro. But this one that I got is only Alesis Recital, which I think the only difference is that the Pro has more voice tones than this one. So this keyboard has 4 tones. Semi-weighted keys, although for me it felt like they were fully weighted, maybe because I got used to the other keyboards that aren't weighted at all. This keyboard is good for beginners and intermediate players if you ask me. It has a USB MIDI output so you can connect it to your audio interface and use it as a MIDI controller. It also has an output for headphones and a separate output for speakers. And finally, there's an output for a sustain pedal. Unfortunately, this package didn't come with a sustain pedal nor a piano stand, so I had to buy that separately. As a kid, it was always my dream to at least have a decent piano or keyboard that actually sounds like the real grand piano. And now I have this, Alesis, and I'm happy with it. Once again, thank you so much to Uncle Doc for gifting me this wonderful musical instrument. I will try my best to keep it for as long as I can and promise to practice a lot. So that is it for this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and share it with others who might be interested. I will put a link in the description of the store it was bought from at Lazada, so you can go check it out too if you're interested. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you all in the next video.